How to enable or disable mouse click sound on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to enable or disable mouse click sound on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your search, and under search you need to search for control panel. After opening your control panel, you need to go with the sound section. Just click on sound, and under sound now again go with the sounds section, and here you need to scroll down and click on select. Once you click on select, now you need to go with the drop down, and under the drop down now you need to go with an option of Windows navigation start, and after that you need to go with apply and OK, and it will be enabled. Now if you want to disable it, then you can again go with your control panel, again go with the sound section. Under sound you need to go with sounds again, and here you need to go with select, and under the sounds you need to go with drop down and you need to select none, and after that again go with apply and OK. That's how you can enable or disable mouse click sounds on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.